Welcome to episode 2 of our HMI series. In each episode, we'll explore the different types of HMIs, including their features, advantages, and challenges. If you missed episode 1 where we covered the basics of HMIs, be sure to check it out. Let's dive into episode 2. Push-button replacers are HMIs that emulate traditional push buttons with digital interfaces. They replace mechanical buttons with touchscreen or soft button controls, enabling users to control machinery through virtual buttons on a screen. Features: virtual buttons. Users interact with graphical representations on a screen instead of physical buttons. Customizable interfaces. Button layout and functions can be tailored and easily updated. Feedback mechanisms. Many push-button replacers provide visual, example, color changes, and auditory, example, sounds, feedback to confirm actions. Applications: industrial automation, used in factories for controlling machinery, lighting, and other systems, allowing for a more compact control interface. Consumer electronics, common in devices like microwaves, ovens, and smart home systems, enabling easy user interaction. Transportation, used in vehicles for controls like windows, lights, and infotainment systems. Advantages: space saving, reduces the physical space required for controls, as multiple functions can be combined into one interface. Flexibility, interfaces can be reprogrammed for different tasks or new features without changing hardware. User-friendly, interfaces are intuitive, displaying only relevant controls for users at any given time. Challenges: accidental activation. Touchscreens can be prone to accidental inputs, especially when users wear gloves or work in wet conditions. Reliability: touchscreens may be less durable than physical buttons, which can better withstand harsh environments. Learning curve: some users may need time to adapt to digital interfaces, as opposed to traditional push buttons. That's enough for today. We hope this gave you a solid understanding. Stay tuned for next video where we'll explore data handler. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more.